If you have tried applying for a job online in South Africa, then you must be very familiar with this email. Yes. This is the famous "we regret to inform you" mail sent to each and everyone in this country. All of us have gotten this at some point in our lives.
And it does not matter which platform you use to apply for the job. Whether it is Careers24, LinkedIn, PNet, or even the Indeed platform. The response will always most probably be the same. Worry not though, because after extensive research, we have found that simplest and quickest way to find a job is through a recruitment agency. The role of a recruitment agency is to find people looking for work and match these people with the relevant job on behalf of the employer. Additionally, they assist you with ensuring that your CV is on standard. And they also prepare you for the interview with the client. Amazing, isn't it? Well, in this video we have compiled a list of relevant and top-ranked recruitment agencies for each sector: IT, health, science and engineering, finance. And in the end, we will give you tips and trips to make sure your recruiter thinks of you first when they find something. Number 1. Network Recruitment. Network Recruitment is a global sourcing partner specializing in the fields of finance, IT, and engineering. They have a variety of opportunities which range from contracting and permanent placements. If you would like to check out their offering, then go on their South African site, www.networkcontracting.co.za, as shown in your screen. Number 2. MediPath Recruitment. MediPath Recruitment is one of South Africa's leading healthcare recruitment agency. They place medical staff in hospitals, pharmacies, clinics, universities, and so many more. The best thing about MediPath Recruitment is that they deal with the private sector, as well as the government. The MediPath team recruits for a variety of healthcare disciplines such as clinical nursing, cardiology, pharmacology, psychiatry, and everything else you can think of, as long as it is in the health industry. To visit MediPath Recruitment, then go to www.medipath.co.za. Number 3. Armstrong Appointments. This is a legal recruitment agency. Armstrong Appointments also specializes in permanent and temporary roles in the legal industry, such as legal advisors, attorneys, paralegal, solicitors, and so much more. If you are one of those people with a legal qualification or are aspiring to find work in the legal industry, then visit their website on www.armstrongappointments.com, as shown in the screen. Before we move on to the next one, if you are finding value in this video, then give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Next, Communicate Recruitment. Communicate Recruitment is a specialist recruitment company with over 3 decades of experience. They connect people in the engineering, IT, freight, contracting, throughout Africa and South Africa. Communicate Recruitment has offices throughout South Africa and a long-standing network of clients and candidates throughout the rest of the Southern African region. To check out the current vacancies, please go to their site, www.communicate.co.za. At number 5 we have Michael Page Africa. This recruitment agency is part of the Page Group, dedicated to recruitment of managers and senior executives on the African continent. Their South African office is located in Johannesburg. However, the company also has a presence in over 35 other countries worldwide. Their areas of specialty range from engineering, manufacturing, accounting, as well as finance. Visit the Michael Page Recruitment website in the link on screen, www.michaelpageafrica.com. If you are a software developer, then listen attentively, because this one is for you. Emerge is a recruitment agency that specializes in software development. Their areas of expertise are in Java, C#, .NET, data analytics, web and mobile applications, DevOps, and so many more. This recruitment agency has over 20 years of experience and has worked with over 600 individual clients. Follow the link in the screen to visit their site at emerge.co.za. Let us know if you are finding this list helpful in the comments section below. There are so many more recruitment agencies available which have not been mentioned in this video. We always advise professionals to find the one that is relevant to them and their career objectives. Recruitment agencies are completely free to use and will help you find employment at no cost at all. Always build a solid relationship with a recruiter. Recruiters are experts in their fields and will give you industry information and tips to help you succeed in your job search. Most importantly, recruiters often know about jobs not being advertised on job boards or social media. So already this gives you an advantage. Lastly, when you apply for a job, the recruiter will follow up on your behalf so that you do not have to. Always keep in touch with a recruiter to find out if they have any new roles relevant to you. We hope you found this video helpful. Please let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.